A histogram is a great way to visualize the distribution of your data. If you're looking to create a histogram in Google Sheets, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to turn your data into a clear, informative histogram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Access the Google Sheets document that contains the data for your histogram. Step 2. Select your data. Highlight the range of data you want to include in your histogram. Step 3. Insert chart. Go to the menu and select Insert, then Chart. In the chart editor on the right, choose Histogram as the chart type. Step 4. Customize your histogram. Use the chart editor to adjust the bucket size, range, and other options to fit your data visualization needs. Step 5. Position your histogram. Once satisfied with your histogram, click Insert to place it in your sheet. You can click and drag to reposition or resize it as needed, and there you have it, a beautiful histogram made right in Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you see your data in a new light, please like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.